this morning.
Oga,
I saw you when they rotated again for another children.
Oga, what is your name? Eh? Eh? Arinze. You are from which state?
That one don't happen again, oh my darling people. Another one don't happen again. One pastor for that matter. One go thief another person pikin may take do money so that make it church dey boom. Area don scatter oh my darling people. Area don scatter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, I beg make you go subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news when they come out for here. Thank you for coming around again and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today na about one pastor wey wan go dey carry pikin take do ritual. Na im dey catch am, my darling people. They catch the pastor because if you wan go use person pikin take do ritual, according to him, I go put the confession. He dey use the math dey talk. The thing shock me. It shockalize me. A pastor for that matter go carry person pikin. He want to go use that to do ritual so that make church dey boom. Say na wetin another of his colleague advice and say make him go do. Una see and say I dey always dey talk and say many of them are they call themselves. Oh, God don't call them. They call themselves. A pastor for that matter, my darling people. A pastor. Now him do this one. How una want a reason now, my darling people? This one shocked me, oh. This one shockalize me like seriously. Now only God now go save person for this life with this. So for that they are hand where they lay for person head. Now only God go save person. Oh. Only God now go save person. This one is shockalize me. My darling people, I go put the video more on see am. More help me share them because as God they expose all of them one by one. So now so God go they expose them they go. Because I never see this kind of thing before. Who does that? A pastor. One go use pikin to do ritual. So that make church they boom. Maybe people they come to church. Then they come they carry that they are fake and they lay for people head. Now only God now go ask now. Only God now go ask una. Only God now go really use that he can say wire una. My darling people, God does say expose one again. Oh, more are still coming. Thank you. I will put the video now more see. Bye.
This morning.
Oga,
I saw you when they rotated again for another children.
Oga, what is your name? Eh? Eh? Arinze. You are from which state? Anambra State. Arinze what? You are a pastor? A pastor. Pastor on training. What church?
Dominion City.
Dominion City. So what happened? Why did you come to Onisha in the first place?
I'm here for the first place for house and the shop. The first thing that brought me here is for house and the shop. Ask me to the very witness of this I'm saying. Now see those and this for the first time I'm here is for house and the shop.
Okay.
The first that brought me here.
So what now? Since you could not get house and shop, then
No,
what?
I've got them, but the one that calling me is too expensive.
Okay.
Yes, I had one there, but I didn't say the close place there again.
Okay.
The one that they told me I was casual, that one is saying too expensive, 700.
Okay.
The person is starting, I can't pay that amount.
Okay.
So that is why I say I'm looking for one of 300.
Okay.
And someone was forcing me on that.
Okay. So what now happened? Why are you in shame now? Why are you tied?
Okay, what I'm tired is I want to have my own ministry.
Want to have your own ministry?
Yes.
You are tied because you want to have your own ministry.
Yes. And secondly, the person, Mr. Matu, is not supposed to be off. Mr. Matu from Nachi asked me to go and bring a blood of the child. Just
Blood of a child.
yes, at least
From which part of our body?
just anywhere.
Anywhere. So you now decided to go through our vagina.
Yeah.
How did you know? How come you want to take blood from vagina? How did you get blood from our vagina?
It's the only thing is, I just only small.
You
And I put it
wait. How many children have you fucked in this area? It's only one.
I'm not fucking anybody.
How did you not get blood from her vagina if you did not fuck her?
I use my little finger.
You finger the small baby to get blood from her vagina. You now use it for spiritual means, Abi.
Then I went there.
So you have used it.
I went there. I went there. The man told me that this girl is very powerful. The reason why I think it will not work now the God has still. The one that needs fresh water. The one is fish. The one has still. So now I have to. That one is condemned.
You are not telling the truth. You have used the first one. You have used it.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. But the man told me that is condemned.
So you can. It's not working. You
He
need.
told me that I have to go for another place, not this place again.
You said you should not come to Onisha again.
Yes.
You are lying.
No,
So
I should use the same. They should go the same place.
you should not use the same girl again. You should go and look for another girl. So today now you have come to look for another girl.
That's what I never have come another girl.
Yeah?
What I came here for is the same shop.
So you are the one that rent that land there. You want to use it to do church. So when you do your church here, all our guests will not save in this place.
I'm not going to be the one to patrol the place.
My fellow CDA people, you guys are coming late. This man, his name is Arinze. This Arinze came to my tenant's place about 3 weeks ago, Abi. Hey, Oga, leave the place. He came, I'm recording you. So you are going to tell the truth when the time comes. Came to my tenant's house about 3 weeks ago. The first time he came, he said he was looking for a house. So my tenant was trying to help him to get the house. They could not get house or shop. They say it's too expensive for them. He's the one that rents that land there, where they put sand. His church rent that land there. By God's grace, they will not do that church on that land. Because it's not issue of prayer. Either you like it or not. We landlord association, or in whose mouth I'm talking now, even though if they bought that land, they must refund them. We don't want such church in this environment. Church is for God. And I've never seen where God will say, go and bring. I've not seen where God demand for the blood blood from the vagina to do this thing. So what I'm trying to say, hello, I'm talking to my fellow landlords, please. What I'm